Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to add and use Grammarly in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up a web browser and all you need to do is go and search for Grammarly like so and come to the Grammarly website. Come to the top right and click on Get Grammarly. It's free, and then what you can do is go and sign up or log in. If you already have an account, then come over to the left and click on Apps, and you need to go and click on Install for Grammarly. For Windows, find the installer either in your browser or your Downloads folder and run. It's super. Simple to set up. It will go and log you in pretty much as well, and for now I'll go and use the free version of Grammarly, and now what we can do is come back into Word like so, and now when I go and click on an error, as you can see, we've got Grammarly here and it's helping me correct it. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like.